Hi everyone, Darren Hunter here. 3 benefits of using virtual tours for business development, or particularly around rent roll growth. Well, number one, it's an awesome point of difference. You see, no doubt your prospective client wants best rent, best tenant in the fastest possible time. What better way to show how you can deliver that better than your rivals by showing them that you do virtual tours, as opposed to your rivals still doing boring photos or even doing professional photos. A virtual tour is the next best thing to actually the tenants being there. It's really impressive, and your prospective clients are going to love you for it. Also allows you to start to eliminate photos. You don't really need to be doing marketing photos anymore if they've got a full snapshot through a virtual tour and having a thorough look instead of a snapshot look which only photos show. It's a part view as opposed to a full professional view without necessarily having to be there. But also, if you measure with your virtual tours, which you can attract quality tenants quicker, you can actually measure how you're getting properties rented so much quicker than your competition, and you start measuring those stats. You show that to the owners that you're renting property quicker through it, because every week it's vacant, that's saving them 2% of their annual income. If it's vacant 5 weeks, that's going to cost them 10%. You can show them how you can rent it quicker, even by 1 week. You've saved them 2%. Make sure you speak to Tom at Virtual Tours Creator. Cheers.